In this video, I will show you how to move XRP from Robinhood to a cold wallet. Step number 1 is to get your cold wallet XRP address. So to do this, you want to open your hardware wallet app. So it can be Ledger, for example. If it's Ledger, just open up the Ledger Live app. And in the app that you open, select receive or deposit, and then select XRP or Ripple. From there, you will then get your XRP deposit address, so simply gonna copy that. And if required, you will also need the destination tag. Some wallets and exchanges require this, hard wallets typically do not, but if there is a destination tag, also go and copy that. But first, just copy the XRP deposit address and then open up Robinhood. Go to your crypto tab in your portfolio, and if you have some XRP, you will then see it, so gonna open it up, then scroll down until you see send. So click send, and from there it will ask you if you want to basically scan a QR code. Just hit enter manually in the bottom, and then from there paste in the wallet address that you just copied, so your XRP wallet address from your cold wallet, and then click continue. From there choose how much you want to send. Now here it says Solana because it didn't let me screen record this, so this is just a screenshot, but just select how much you want to send. You can also click on send all, and then it will send all of your XRP. Then after entering that, just click continue. Then it will ask you where's this crypto going, so if it's your hardware wallet or cold wallet, just select to myself, and from there you will then have the overview. Now just click submit. If there was a section for a destination tag and you got a destination tag from your hardware or cold wallet, then also paste in the destination tag. From there just submit it, and it will then be sent to your cold wallet. I would recommend sending a small amount first if you are sending a larger amount, and then just doing the rest after it. And then after it has arrived, which it should if you follow these steps, and then once it has arrived, just gonna send the rest of it. So now you know how to move XRP from Robinhood to your cold wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.